disappeared, walking streets so empty now. Your shadow's all I feel in the silence of the night. The ache is all too real. Whispered words we never said, fading like the thunder's tread. I'm lost within this storm inside, where broken hearts and rain collide. Whispers in the rain, calling out your name, drenched in all the sorrow, caught inside the pain. Late night confessions falling like the rain. You and I undone in this endless midnight game. Every drop's a memory, falling softly on my skin. The rhythm of the rain becomes the song of what has been. I reach out in the darkness, but only emptiness replies. Your love's a ghost that lingers beneath these cloudy skies. Whispered words we never said, fading like the thunder's tread. I'm lost within this storm inside, where broken hearts and rain collide. Whispers in the rain, calling out your name, drenched in all the sorrow, caught inside the pain. Late night confessions falling like the rain. You and I undone in this endless midnight game. If the rain could wash away the hurt and all the lies, I'd welcome every storm to mend these tear-filled eyes. But the thunder only strengthens the silence in my heart, a lonely melody where healing won't start. Whispers in the rain, calling out your name, drenched in all the sorrow, caught inside the pain. Late night confessions falling like the rain. You and I undone in this endless midnight game. So I'll walk this rainy night with memories in the air, hoping that someday the sun